Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both accounts so the link works smoothly. Sign into your Xbox account on the console, then open Marvel Rivals and verify your in-game profile is created. This registers your gamer tag. Once done, sign into your PlayStation Network account on PS5 or PS4 and install the game there too. Make sure both copies use the same regional settings. You do this because the platform link requires matching account records and a live profile on each console before proceeding. Now you perform the actual link step by step. On your Xbox, open Marvel Rivals settings, find account or crossplay, and pick link account. The game will generate a short code or QR. Next, on your PlayStation, launch the game and choose link existing account. Enter that code exactly or scan the QR with a phone if supported. Make sure to act within the code timeout window. Otherwise, the code expires and you must regenerate it on Xbox. Finish by confirming the link and resolving issues. Once linked, verify your gamer tag, unlocked items, and progression appear on PlayStation. This confirms the account association propagated. If you don't see content, sign out of both consoles, clear the game cache, or reinstall Marvel Rivals, then repeat the linking code process. This resolves most token or cache conflicts. If problems persist, check server status, ensure region matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.